Welcome to T5 here at freetradingvideos.com. Enjoy the show.
Welcome to the Market Rag for Wednesday, November 21st, 2007. And begin. Interesting action out here today. We made a run for yesterday's high only to be rejected and fall all the way down, even breaking yesterday's low, just to have an amazing rebound right there at the end, showing you anything can happen. This was a 100-point rebound on the Dow. Your range on the S&P from top to bottom was over 30 points. A lot of volatility out there. Oil, once it broke into that all-time high area, just made a nice steady run all day. Bonds basically went sideways and did nothing and just put in an inside day. One of these crazy environments where anything can happen, again, breaking that low just to rebound up and actually end up closing up for the day. You'll see oil broke in and made that all-time high today. Heating oil followed suit, but natural gas not really joining the party. The euro breaking out into an all-time high again, leaving the dollar only to fall farther into the abyss. Sector action remains the same. You've got these utilities and consumer staples staying in the hot spot. The down area is going to still be your transport, semis, and telecoms. Energy made a little change here today, being one of the best performing sectors out there. The good move in energy brought it back to this area. We're wondering if it's going to end up being resistance or not. Utilities had a nice move up off this little support area, which helped out our CEG position, which had a nice move up on big volume today. The transport, semis, and financials couldn't pull it together even after the big rebound. All ended up still down for the day. Here again, those transports crashing down after hitting that overhead resistance. We went after airlines when those transports started crashing, and again, our LLC trade's working out real nice in our favor. Nice volume coming in on this trade. Going over the market rating here, I'm basically going to keep this at a -2. Seems that anything can happen in the market right now. We're getting a buy signal from the VIX, which is kind of interesting, and remember, these can be early. We have some employment numbers coming out before the market opens, with the consumer and leading indicators coming out at 10 Eastern Time. I have a bad feeling we're in for one wild ride coming up. These numbers can do anything to the market, and the market seems ready to do anything as it is anyway. Well, we only got filled on one trade today, and that was that FLP trade. We have a lot of money out there right now on the table. We have a little bit of margin too, and I don't want to go into margin in this kind of environment. The nice thing is we have very little risk, less than 0.5% of our overall accounts at risk right now. We've moved our stop to break even, if not to book some of these profits, just because of the current environment. I've tried to leave them loose enough to survive any sort of bounce this number may kick up in the morning, but we'll see if I've left them loose enough.
An investor without investment objectives is like a traveler without a destination.
Thanks for spending your time with us. Have a great evening. You can lose a lot of money trading. These are not recommendations of any sort. Just opinions. Always remember, a fool and his money are soon parted.